Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper origami fan. This fan can be used for decorations. So you're going to start off with your printed paper or what type of paper you want, and then you can use a rectangle piece of paper. And what you're going to do is the first thing is to fold it in half like this. Next, you're going to open it up and you will see a line in the center. After that, you're going to take your paper and fold it to the center line. And you will crease well. And then you're going to take the other side and fold it to the center line. So you will crease this also well. And while making the fan, it is really critical to make sure your creases are very well done. Now, after this step, you're going to take this edge and you're going to fold it to this line. And you will crease well. And then you'll take this edge and fold it to the center line. You will crease these really well. Now, this one may be a little trickier, but you're going to take this line and fold it once more to the center line. You will crease this one really well. And you will take this one and fold it to the center line again, and you will crease well. Now, after we've creased these, the next step is going to be crease it this way. If they're a little bit uneven, it's not such a big problem, but try to make them as even as you can. And now I'm going to open it up, and it will be like this. Now you're going to take whatever is your first fold, you're going to crease it in such a way that you can form it like this. So I'll fold this in, fold this out, fold this in, fold it out, and so on like that. So what's going on? Now you have it like this. Now you're going to put it back to this position, and you're going to make sure all your creases are really well. At this point, it is really important to make sure your creases are creased. Next, you're going to take this edge and you're going to fold it to this edge. So you're going to basically fold it in half. You crease this well. Now, if you open it up, it's like this, like this. Now, it's time to glue. So now for the gluing, you're going to take some glue, you're going to open it up, and you see these two flaps? You're not going to glue them, but what you're going to glue is basically these parts, but we're going to glue them either before or after cutting. So why do we need it cut? We're going to cut so we can get a design that creates like a slant and a pretty curve. So I'm going to take my scissor and I'm going to cut in a slant direction. So if I cut it this way, I will have some slant, so I'll cut it here. Like that. You see how this created this beautiful shape? Now I'm going to align it and I'll cut it again in this place. So this might be a bit difficult at first because it's a lot of layers, but it'll do pretty good. Now you have these cuts, take away your paper scraps, and now you can glue. But let's just say you didn't want these cuts, then you could have glued right at the moment I said it's time to glue. So now I'm going to apply some glue here, and I'm going to fold it in and push. And this is how it is. Beautiful. Now I'm just going to fold it and press on it. Now, once I've made one of these, I'm going to make another one of these. So I'll have two. Now what I'm going to do is glue these two together so I can create a fan. So, bringing back my glue and putting some glue on the edge. And this might be difficult at first because you're having to stick some paper together, which is pretty difficult, but it will be fine later. So you're going to push as best as you can, basically, and you'll squeeze it, and you can hold like multiple flaps at once and try to get it to stick. And then your fan will basically be ready. But what we need is to make it be hangable on the wall. So what you're going to do is you're going to take two cutouts of little black dots, and you're going to take one of them and you apply glue on it and put it on the front. So if you want to put it on the front, you can, but or if you don't, you don't have to. But this gives it a pretty glow. Now once I've put this glue on here, I'm going to flip the side over. I'm going to take my dot. I'm going to apply some glue on it, and I will glue it here. Now I can easily hang this on the wall. And after this step, your fan is basically ready. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching how to make these beautiful fans that you can use to decorate your walls. Bye!